welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel, we talk about personal finances, whether it is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future, honey. Today's video, as you can see, is a cash envelope stuffing. Welcome to day one of Vlogmas. Are you excited? Because I'm excited! So to top it all off with Vlogmas, we are going to do cash envelope stuffing, and we are just going to get right into it. If you do not know what I'm stuffing, how I'm stuffing it, then girl, you need to just check my budget with me video. Check that out because that will tell you everything. Sometimes I do forget to put the little card where it tells you what I'm stuffing, how much I'm stuffing. Sometimes I forget. I'm human. But if I do forget, definitely, if I do or if I don't, if I do or if I don't forget, definitely still check out my budget with me videos. You'll get a different side of my budget and you'll see where the rest of my money goes. If some of the rest of my money, because that income ain't all my income. Gotta keep some secrets. So we are just going to unstuff our wallet like we do all the time. So let's see what we have. So we have some money from eating out. You know, because sometimes I just throw money in crevices and you just gotta make sure that there is no money anywhere. Okay, so that is all the money from my wallet, which is $5, $10, $15, $16. As you know, every time I find money in my wallet, we just put it on the side because we will discuss what we are going to do with this money at the end. Okay, so for eating out, which is going to be the first thing we stuff, I believe I budgeted $50. Yes, $50. So we normally break this 50 up. We'll do like 20, a 10, some 5s. It's 10, that's 20. So now we just need another 10. So now we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So this is how much we have as of right now. We will not be returning back to the building this week because of the big bad woof. But that is okay. That is totally okay. My. Oh. So then me is getting $37. Definitely, if you like these envelopes, check the description down below. I have a link to all these envelopes except for this one. This one was a limited edition. Unfortunately, you cannot get this one. But if you ask nicely, I could probably, slide you one. Yes, me time is $37. So we are gonna go 20, 30, 30, 35, and then we're gonna bring the ones over here. 6, 7. Let's just double check, make sure we got everything and we got it right. So we have 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37. Sounds about right to me. Okay, so that is basically it for our wallet, our day-to-day wallet. Now it is time for our sinking funds. Okay, so we have car. I have a bunch of receipts in car, but it is okay. It is to make sure that we have our money accounted for. This is another reason why clear cash envelopes may not be a thing for when you want to keep receipts. It's only really cute when you only have money in it. So car is getting $50. So that's this 50 right here. $50. Then challenge is getting $84. So that is in 80s and all. 22, 4, 6, 8. Don't you love when you get your budget right? 2, 4, 6, 8, and then $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're gonna count 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plop that right here. Then we are going to take a marker and check off this box. Next we have self-care. That is going to get a whopping $10. Now you're like, well, you have money left over. What is this for? Honestly, it's just extra money. We are going to just add this to self-care. Now, since we are done with sinking funds, we have this $16 that we had left over from who knows what. It was from food, but you ain't spend it. So now I'm just going to put this in my savings jar. If you don't know, I have a savings jar that I have been saving all 2020, and I will bust that sucker open. I will bust that sucker open come New Year's Eve / day. New Year's Eve night. That's when I will be smashing it open, and then we'll be revealing to you guys how much I have saved. Definitely will be having some type of guessing game going on, like how much do you think I saved in this jar? And you can't use this as an indicator because I didn't follow the rules for the savings challenge. But I just, yeah. Okay. So now that it is in, we are going to close it. I know I'm going to have a lot of teared dollar bills because getting it through this spout is like a hassle because you really have to jam your pen into the money, and like I hear it rip, but it's okay. I could tape it back up. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Definitely stay tuned. There will be a video tomorrow and you won't be mad about it. Thank you so much. I'll see you later. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. See you. Bye.